Hey guys, hey, it's me, April, with Ageless Beauty with Style. Thanks for joining me. I am an independent Avon representative in the Midland, Michigan area, and I serve the Midland area as well as the Tri-Cities and throughout the United States on my website. So hey, thanks for joining me. I am doing my unboxing. I got my order late yesterday, so I didn't get to do it yesterday during the time I wanted to, so we're just going to start right now. First, gel love candles. And I have their new Senses. This is their sparkling sugar plum and vanilla. And I also got the body spray. Love this. And when you purchase $30 of any of their selected items in this brochure, you're going to get this beautiful, let me just come up get close to you here. Can you see that? Necklace free. Okay. Next, let's see. Oh, I got a couple of the other candles too that I want to just kind of show you. They smell incredibly amazing. And this one is, what is this? The Juicy Currant and Magnolia. I love the little cardboards that they put in there. This is a 3-wick candle, soy mix, wax in here, and 3 wicks. They burn great. They burn evenly down, so you don't have a bunch of the candle wax up here. So check that out. Get yourself a couple of those. This was the Magnolia one. This is Currant and Magnolia. The next one I have right here is the Rose Blossom and Musk. The Rose Blossom and Musk. I think this is probably my favorite. It smells amazing. So again, it's the 3-wick, and this was a 1-wick candle. This would be cute for your bathroom or your kitchen area or whatever. This is nice for your natural, for your living room. Maybe you want to do blends, whatever. And again, it's 3-wick and it's slow burning, and you're not going to have a lot of that wax build up on the sides. It burns evenly. And again, it's the soy blend wax, in case you were wondering. And Avon is just getting better and better and better. They're just improving on all of their things because they're listening to you, the customer, and what you want. And next, my favorite, Christmas ornaments. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. This is the nativity scene, and it runs on 2 AAA batteries, and I should have put those in it, but I will do that for you next time so you can see what it looks like lit up. So if you have your eye on any of these things, you better get them right away because these sell out very quickly. Last year, the piece nativity that I bought, I think that sold out like 3 or 4 times. I finally got my hands on one, and I had a hard time getting it for my customers, so make sure you get them ordered now. This one is the stacked snowflake ornament. Isn't that cute? It lights up. This has 3 AAAs, I think. 3 AAA batteries, and like I said, I will get this ordered for you, or I will get the batteries put in here for you for next time so that you can see what this is. And let's see. Also, make sure they have our Care Deeply lip balms. So, great stocking stuffers. Make sure you get these because we have a hard time keeping these in stock. So make sure you get those ordered and get them ordered right away. This is the 2023 calendar. The Care Deeply lip balm. Now, these are the ones that don't have a flavor or a fragrance or a smell to them at all. So, stock up on those for Christmas for the stocking stuffers. And that is all I have, and you guys have a great rest of your afternoon, and we'll talk to you very soon. And if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments. Like my page, or like my channel, and subscribe so you'll get notifications for the next videos that I put out on new products and new home decor. And leave me a comment. And if you think this is something that you want to do, now is a good time because it's free sign up. You don't have to pay anything to open up and register. To open up your account, you get a free website. People can shop on your website. You'll make some extra money for Christmas. You'll get free full-size products if you qualify, and we can talk about that more. If you have questions, let me know because I'd be happy to talk with you about those, and I'd be excited to have you join my team. And with that, we'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye, guys.